Like I just mentioned a little earlier on here, we did have a lot of sunshine throughout the morning, and now we are continuing to see that as we go into the afternoon. Occasionally some high clouds here and there as the day rolls along. Temperature-wise, pretty much in the same spot we were yesterday, as we have upper 70s back off to the west. And as you head east along Interstate 70 down toward Frederick and beyond into Maryland, still seeing some of those 80s, especially down I-270, Germantown, Frederick, Chantilly, seeing those lower 80s already this afternoon. We're already starting to see a return of some of that humidity. Yes, dew points have been on the rise today, and we're seeing those 60s and 70s as far as dew point readings are concerned through the eastern half of the area. Back to the west along the I-81 corridor, still pretty comfortable overall, but again, that humidity is slowly still going to keep moving in from the east as we go throughout the rest of the day today. A lot of activity still off near the Great Lakes in terms of rainfall. We also have some showers and storms pushing into the Outer Banks down to the south in North Carolina. We are right in between, and that's why things are staying quiet and calm across the four-state region. Like I mentioned, hardly a cloud in the sky. Might see a few additional clouds entering into southern Maryland as the afternoon carries on. So once again, the rain is expected to stay away for the rest of your day today. It's already going to start to get humid today, but tomorrow that will also be the case. A few isolated storms pushing up from the south on your Wednesday, but many of us stay dry. The best chance for rainfall will not be until we get into Thursday of this week here. That is when the soggiest conditions are expected, because we're seeing a coastal low pressure center. That's what's bringing rainfall along the Outer Banks here today, while we have this stalled boundary creating all of the activity to our north. Things are very quiet as we stay between those two throughout your day today, but that system to the south, the rainfall starts to push north as we go into your Wednesday. So some rainfall enters into southern Maryland, northern Virginia, while those of us off to the north stay quiet, just see an increase in some cloud cover. And then eventually this front to our north becomes a cold front and starts to swing this direction. And as it does so, it'll have plenty of moisture to work with and create additional showers and storms then across the entire area Thursday. Temperatures this afternoon, the warmest they'll be all week, will be into the middle and upper 80s briefly this afternoon, and we will stay warm overnight as well, mainly in the 60s going into your Wednesday. Tomorrow, highs with additional clouds around will stay into the middle 80s overall. And again, we'll start to gradually cool down to more seasonal temperatures then for the rest of the week into the weekend, but we'll have to deal with a little bit of warmth here today. Before that, like I mentioned, highs getting into the middle and upper 80s briefly around 3 o'clock. And then the rest of the week, the rainfall pushes out. Friday and Saturday look to be comfortable, pretty nice overall, but some more rainfall enters in with another storm system to end the weekend going into early next week.